Welcome back, Glow Up Guide. Black Girl Glow Up. Ultimate Glow Up Guide for Black Girls. This guide is packed with everything you need to level up your hair, skin, body, makeup, nails, outfits, and confidence. Whether you're starting from scratch or just need a little boost, let's glow up together and become the highest version of ourselves effortlessly and unapologetically. Let's get started. Skincare. Now let's move on to your skin because a glowing complexion is the foundation of start with the basics. Gentle cleansers, tone, moisturize, and never skip SPF daily. But don't stop there. Exfoliation is your secret weapon for removing dead skin cells and revealing smooth. Use a gentle scrub or a chemical exfoliant once or twice a week. Sunscreen. Yes, it protects you from hyperpigmentation and premature aging. Choose a broad spectrum SPF that won't leave a white cast. Use aloe vera or rosewater as a toner for calm, glowing skin. Hair care routine. Your hair is your crown. Whether you rock it natural, relaxed, braided, or locked, keep it healthy and strong. Deep condition weekly. Look for moisture plus protein balance. Trim regularly to avoid split ends. Protect your edges and use satin or silk bonnets, sought pillowcases. Try low manipulation styles like twists, buns, or braids. Stay away from too tight styles or harsh chemicals. Healthy lifestyle. No glow up is complete without health and wellness. Drink 8+ glasses of water daily. Eat fruits, veggies, and whole foods. Yes, sis. Get 7 to 8 hours of beauty sleep. Move your body, dance, walk, yoga, anything. Take your vitamins, especially iron, vitamin D, and biotin. Next is body care. Your body deserves just so much love as your face. Start with exfoliation to keep your skin soft and smooth. A sugar scrub or dry brushing before your shower works wonders for circulation and removing dead skin. After showering, lock in moisture with a rich body butter or lotion. Don't skip out on smelling good either. Layer a subtle perfume or body mist. Style like a goddess. A style is how you show the world who you are without saying a word. Dress for your body type, not trends. Invest in basics, fitted jeans, a good blazer, quality tees. Remember, Queen, your glow up is yours alone. It's not about perfection, it's about becoming the best version of you. Keep evolving, keep learning, and keep shining. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite glow up tip, and subscribe for more Black Girl magic, beauty, and confidence.